Here's how to use Walmart Plus at Burger King in 2025 and grab those extra savings. So first, quick refresher. Walmart Plus is Walmart's paid membership that already gives you free grocery delivery, free shipping, Paramount Plus streaming, gas discounts, and now they've teamed up with Burger King for dining perks. Here's what you do. Open your Walmart Plus benefits hub and look for the Burger King savings tile. Tap on it and hit Get Started Now. That'll take you straight to the BK Royal Perks page. From here, click Link Accounts. If you don't already have a Royal Perks account, no worries, it's free to sign up. Just log in or register, then follow the prompts to connect it with your Walmart Plus. Once that's done, check the Offers tab inside the BK app or on bk.com. That's where your exclusive Walmart Plus discounts will show up. Now keep this in mind, you can only redeem these offers through the BK app or website. But if you want to pick up in person, just switch your order to pickup mode at your preferred Burger King and you're good to go. And that's it. You've officially linked Walmart Plus with Burger King. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more easy guides, and I'll catch you in the next one.